Let Garmin show you how to update your Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 or Ultra 2 Series chartplotter software using the ActiveCaptain app with your compatible smartphone or tablet. For this process, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on compatible Android smartphones and tablets. We will be using the ECHOMAP UHD2 93SV, but the process is similar on other ECHOMAP UHD2 7 and 9-inch series units, as well as all ECHOMAP Ultra 2 series units. For this process, you will need a microSD card. Do not use a preloaded chart card for this process. It is recommended to use a separate microSD card for the ActiveCaptain app. Garmin chart plotters can have different maximum card sizes. Please refer to the link below to determine the appropriate card size to use as your ActiveCaptain memory card. Locate and download the ActiveCaptain app from the Apple App Store. Open the ActiveCaptain app once the download is complete. Then read and agree to the terms and conditions. Select Continue. Select Create One and enter your information if you do not already have an account. Otherwise, enter your Garmin account's email and password. Then select Next. Select Allow to allow the ActiveCaptain app to use Bluetooth. Select Allow to find and connect to devices on your local network. The ActiveCaptain app will now offer to take you on a tour of the features. Follow the tour or select Skip. The ActiveCaptain app will ask if you would like to receive notifications. We will now need to set up the Wi-Fi connection on the ECHOMAP. Select the Home button. Select Vessel. Select ActiveCaptain. From the ActiveCaptain page, select Wi-Fi Network. Toggle Wi-Fi on. Select OK to configure the Wi-Fi connection for the first time. Next, read the on-screen disclaimer and select Host if you plan to connect the ActiveCaptain app to this chart plotter. Give the network a unique name to avoid confusing it with other nearby networks. Select Done when finished. You will now create a unique password. This should be at least 8 characters long. Then, select Done. Now you need to connect your Apple iPhone to your Garmin Marine device's Wi-Fi network. Close the ActiveCaptain app and navigate to your Apple iPhone settings. Select Wi-Fi. Connect to the Garmin ECHOMAP's Wi-Fi network. Type in the password you created. Select Join. Now navigate back to the ActiveCaptain app. The ECHOMAP will ask if your ActiveCaptain account is the owner of the vessel. Select Yes. Then select Done. Select OK when the new ActiveCaptain user has been added. We will now create the ActiveCaptain memory card for the Garmin ECHOMAP. Tap Select Card. Locate the access flap on the front of the chart plotter. Fully insert the memory card into your device. Select Set ActiveCaptain Card. Select your card. You will now be asked to format the card. This is recommended, but will completely erase anything on the card. It is not recommended to use a pre-programmed chart card for this purpose. Select Yes. The Garmin device will now create the ActiveCaptain memory card. The ActiveCaptain memory card will allow your chart plotter to sync with the ActiveCaptain app. This may take a few minutes. Select My Marine Devices from the Boat Apps page in the ActiveCaptain app. The ActiveCaptain app will require you to disconnect from the chartplotter's Wi-Fi network to download available software updates to your compatible Apple iPhone. You will need to reconnect to your local Wi-Fi network or cellular data. Navigate back to the ActiveCaptain app once connected to your local Wi-Fi network or cellular data. The software update will automatically download. Next, the ActiveCaptain app will prompt you to connect to the Garmin Wi-Fi network to transfer the software update. Navigate back to the ActiveCaptain app. The update will begin to transfer. Do not close the ActiveCaptain app, as this may pause or cancel the transfer. Wait until the validation shows 100%. Select Update Now. The Garmin device will now prompt you to update the software. Ensure all marine networks and NEMA 2000 devices are connected and powered on before updating the system software. Select Install Now. The updates will take an extended period of time to complete. Make sure power is not removed from the Garmin device while updates are in progress. This can damage the unit if interrupted. Select Yes. The software update will now begin to install. A loading software page will appear. Your chart plotter will restart once before finishing the download. The ECHOMAP will then prompt you to restart after the download is complete. Select Restart. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.